Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Project 2024 for free. So let's get started. Go to the C drive and create a new folder called MS Project 2024. Next, go to this website and download the Office Development Tool. Run the setup and choose the folder you created earlier in the C drive. Now, open the folder and delete these files. Keep these two files, and open the configuration file in Notepad. Delete all the contents of this file. Go back to the website and copy this code. Paste it into the configuration file, delete all the lines except that MS Project 2024 line, and save it. Rename the file to configuration.xml. Copy the path of the Project 2024 folder. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type CD and space, then paste the path. Now go back to the website and copy this command. Paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. You will see Office installing. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is done, you can close it. Next, let's activate it. Open Project. You will see it's not activated. Go back to the website, copy the provided activation code. And paste it into the Change Product Code field. Close and reopen it, and choose to activate over the Internet. Next, close it. If everything is correct, Microsoft Project 2024 is now activated. There you have it. Enjoy the free offer by Microsoft. You can delete all the downloaded files and empty the recycle bin. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.